Hi Scorpios, this is your September career reading. I have got out your cards and put them in order to see how you are going to tackle your energies, how which energies are coming, which are good, which are bad. I will talk about them. I will give you advice on how to use them properly and what is your final outcome. So let's start your reading with the first tarot card. The first tarot card is of Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles is a beautiful card to get. It means your abundance card. It means that you are satisfied with the way your career is going. You are satisfied with the way the things you do, and with the King of Cups clarifying it, it makes it all the more evident that you are in your elements of Scorpio. This is validating your reading because your card is coming up. You yourself are representing the King of Cups. It's a Scorpio card. Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer card, mainly Scorpio. So this card is showing that you are balanced in your approach regarding money, career and finance. You are diplomatic, you know how to present yourself in front of public, you know how to deal your financial affairs properly. But there is a kind of small little warning which says that the King of Cups is sometimes not exactly worried about his money situation. Sometimes he is imbalanced in his or her approach. So there is a bit of detachment regarding money. So this could be your problem. You are detached about how to make or increase your money situation. You are not interested in that. You are already feeling abundant, but to make you have this success, you have the abundance, you have the affluence, but you are not worried about how to make it more secure or sustainable. So this is the approach I see, this is the energy I see in the month of September. I see some delays or struggles happening in launching your projects or doing things in progression. So there will be delays, there will be struggle, there will be some people who will be around you who will try to obstruct your path or block your path. So you will have to deal with these struggles. However, you are going to get your clarity. You are going to get into a situation where revelations will take place. People obstructing you will be cut away by you, cut off by you, by the power of the sword, by the power of Ace of Sword. Some opportunity will come wherein you will be able to cut away these people who are blocking you, or situations which are blocking you in your progress. You have a mental energy of being a situation of self doubt. This also comes from your King of Cups energy, overthinking. You overthink about situations. Sometimes it brings you into a situation of self doubt, sometimes it brings you in a situation of being trapped. So some of you might not be liking the situation of your job or your career or your business path. You are feeling a bit fed up with the situation. You are feeling a bit like as if you are trapped in a prison, but this prison is made out of the swords. This means your mind is playing games with you. Your mind is trying to obstruct some of the progresses which you can take up, some of the things which you can take up. You are blindfolded and the swords are around you. However, you can remove the blindfold anytime and remove the swords with your hands. So this is the kind of situation. You are trying to self-doubt yourself. You are trying to feel that things cannot be approached in a certain manner because you are doing you have at the moment a one track mind. So please don't mind, but this is what is happening to you. Your energies are getting scattered. Maybe proper effort is not being put in the things you want to upgrade or you want to take forward. So this is the kind of Seven of Swords energy is coming. This is a mixed energy. This energy doesn't let you go forward. This energy is also energy of someone of the air sign Aries, sorry, not Aries, This is Aquarius, Libra, Gemini kind of energy which is around you. This could be a person who is embodying the spirit of air, energy, or you are embodying this spirit and you are not focused. So some of you, it can resonate with some of you. I also see a Libra energy which is reversed, that is the power of Empress which is reversed. This could be a Libra energy, or this could be someone around you having this kind of energy. This could be a feminine energy which is trying to block your path, or this could be your own energy which is not giving enough importance to things which can be nurtured, which can be sustained. So you are feeling somehow emotionally depressed or oppressed by the situation in your career, job, or business. So there could be an external factor who is emotionally blackmailing you, trying to trap you in a circumstance or in a business deal. So there could be a emotional trapping of that manner. This could be your spouse. Because of them, maybe you are trying to take some decisions which are not helping your progress in career, or this could be some external energy. So there is this feminine energy which is around you. This could be feminine or masculine as well, because it's a general reading, and let's not attach value to persons, let's attach value to circumstances. So if we look at the circumstance, we are seeing that reverse Empress is there, Seven of Swords is there, and Eight of Swords is there. So this is a mental energy which is obstructing your growth. This is a kind of emotional situation which is obstructing your growth in career. So take it as it resonates and try to match it with your situation, Scorpios. So let's see what's coming to you. You will be coming out of this oppressive situation, or a situation of self-blocking, or situation of being in self-doubt, with the Fool card. The Fool card is going to resolve this matter. You will decide to take a leap of faith. If some of you are challenged with a decision of going abroad, or going out into the world, going out into the universe, displaying more of your effort, or taking up some job or a contract which involves taking risk, you will try to take a risk. You were in a worrying situation, you were anxious, you were thinking that you might make a wrong decision, but right now you are ready to take this path of adventure. You are ready to take a path towards your life goals in a manner of independence. You want to be independent of any emotional trappings right now and take a decision with the Fool's energy. You want to take a leap of faith. You want to get into a business or a job which can give you big dividends, which has a lot of potential, but you are just doing it because you are feeling passionate about it. You are feeling driven towards it. So you will take the leap of faith. You will also be in this situation by the end of the month or later part of the month. In the month of September, you will be in the later part of September, you will feel that you have achieved what you had dreamt of, meaning you are feeling as if wish fulfillment is taking place, or you are working towards it. With the King of Swords, I see proper decisions being made with analysis and logic. It could be someone else's energy who is partnering with you, or this could be your energy of taking up the position of King of Swords. So from King of Cups, your own energy, you are coming into an energy of King of Swords. You will be on an upper ground. You will take a decision to be more guarded, much more diplomatic, much more logical, and rather than your heart ruling over your matters in career, you will take up the energy of King of Swords. You will let your mind rule over it. So I see a progression in the month of September from being emotional regarding your job affairs, career affairs, to being much more, you know, uh, you will be using logic much more than what you were doing before when the month started. So there is a progression I see, and going towards your fulfillment, your cup of 9 of cups. This is independence, this is affluence, this is abundance, sometimes a bit of indulgence. So you will be feeling this, you will be feeling happy about your situation. Any situation which had come in between or which had happened in the recent past, the feeling of lack or feeling of in pain or sorrow regarding your career will go away, because you will take up the fiery energy of 7 of wands. You will be on the higher ground, fighting it out all through. You will be fighting it out all through. You will be taking up challenges and cutting away all obstructions, and be warrior like in this situation of your career. So I see beautiful energy evolving in the month of September. I see you growing from in under your emotional influence to the influence of your mind and logic and intellect and your energy to fight it out. So I am seeing a progress towards being more analytical in the second phase of your month in September. So your final outcome is taking wisdom, being in this Virgo energy, being in this energy because it is going to be the Virgo month. You will be in this Virgo energy of hermit. You will be seeking advice from others, or you will be seeking advice through your self introspection. You will take time out, you will think properly and gain wisdom about situations which you have to tackle. You will be taking wise decisions. You will also see your luck turning in your favor. The final outcome is the Wheel of Fortune. I see good luck coming in, because this is upright Wheel of Fortune always says that it is going to be the result of what you are doing, what you have done. You will get the results. They will be in front of you. If you are doing your work with good intention, if you are doing your work with lot of hard work, you are going to get the rewards. So I am seeing wise decisions being made, good luck happening, and getting the results out of your hard work. That's what is coming to you. The angels are advising that never give up. Don't give up with the 9 of wands. They are saying don't give up till the end. Try all and everything to achieve your targets. This is what the angels are advising you. They are saying any crisis or any situation of imbalance has to be tackled with the death card. This means that stopping. This is your Scorpio card as well, coming in your elements of being decisive in affairs, decisive in your endeavors, meaning stopping anything which causes imbalance in your career. And going forward, you have to bring in balance by rebirthing yourself or regenerating yourself, bringing in new ideas or new situations in your life. So this is what is being advised by the angels. Beautiful advice to not give up, change any circumstance which brings imbalance by your own elements. That is the Scorpio element of being the stopping situations from happening again and again, trying to get out of a pattern. So this is what I see in your outcome. The money situation looks a bit tricky because there is this 2 of swords. This means that you have to take stock of your situation, not sit with your blindfold on your eyes. You have to take a decision to increase your wealth or assets. If the chance is coming, take the plunge. Try to increase your money situation. Whatever is with you will not remain forever. So get out of that mode of not taking decisions in your life. Take decisions to make your money grow. This is what is being seen in your money situation. People who don't have a job, they will see some delays and struggles of getting feedback regarding their applications of job. Opportunity will come, but it will come with lot of struggle and competition has to be faced. You will be getting an opportunity, a stable opportunity or a fresh opportunity wherein you will have to start from scratch. So this is what I'm getting for those people who don't have a job right now. They will be getting an opportunity surely, and they will be offered something through which they can start afresh in their life. However, there could be struggles and competition in this process. So this is what I see for you, Scorpios, in the month of September. I will come up with more readings and upload those readings to support you and guide you. If you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe my channel. Give me support. Bye bye. Best of luck.